This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the nearby share feature on this device. So to begin with, you gotta make sure that Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth are all enabled. So let me just enable Bluetooth on my end. Then among the control center tiles, you gotta look for the one saying nearby share. Here it is in my case. So from here, touch and hold at its icon. Once at the nearby share page, in order to activate it, you gotta obviously switch on this toggle. So from here, the nearby share is ready to be used and activated, but we can still make a few adjustments and customizations to it. So starting with the fact that you can rename your device, set any custom alias that you want for it to have. So I'll rename it to OPPO, very original, but whatever, I guess. Then you can turn on and turn off the device visibility or discoverability respectively. And while device can be visible, you can also change the mode that it is in. So you can make it so that only your devices will be able to discover this OPPO, which means that the devices that you have the same Google account signed into, you can make it so that only people from your contacts book can discover you, or simply set it to be everyone, and anybody who is in range will be able to interchange the files with you through the nearby share. And final thing that you can configure is what particular data protocol or data mode will be used for transfer. And well, from this point, let's see how this feature works. So I happen to have another device in my hands right now, so I'll make a screenshot real quick. Well, not exactly sure how I should do it on this phone, to be honest with you, but trust me, whatever. I'll just open up the gallery then. Where is it? So, okay, I'll open up the Photos app and, for example, try sending this picture. So I'll share it through the nearby share. So as you can see, my phone has been successfully found. So tap on it, then we gotta accept the transfer at the receiver's end and wait for the file to get sent and received respectively. Alrighty, so I have successfully sent and received the image. And well, that would be pretty much it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.